What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we've got Luke's Rx7 on the ramp and we'll hopefully get it wrapped up tonight. Just want to start by saying massive thanks to the first 300 of you that have subscribed. It's pretty mad that 300 of you want to watch me fuck about with cars. But if you enjoy it, you know, get involved, drop comments and like the videos and I will keep them coming. So let's have a look at what I've been up to. Right, so the air filter turned up and we've put 4-inch elbow on the front. Otherwise we're going to have no space. Seems a bit of a shame because it hides the turbo. If it was just me I'd run a turbo guard, but Luke wants to run a filter, so we've squeezed this K&N one down there. We've also got rid of this gauge that you might have seen in the last video. It was doing that annoying beeping. I did have my suspicions that it weren't legit when Luke bought it and they'd been confirmed. So that one's going to go in the bin and Luke's going to look for a Defi oil pressure gauge. He's got the controller in the glove box, so he just needs to get a gauge and we can plug it straight in. So what I've done, where that oil pressure sensor was, I've just put a gauge in there for now, just so we can manually check it, because the one on the dash, I don't really trust, it sort of fluctuates a little bit. So I've put the intercooler on, I adjust this bracket a little bit to get it to sit straight, so it's got a little crack in it there. So we'll just throw a weld on there. And then also the wideband turned up, so we'll get the ramp up, downpipe off, and then get that wideband bung welded in. And also on the last video, you might notice it's got an exhaust leak, or you might have heard it. So we've got to see where that's coming from and fix that. Alright, so that's the downpipe out. I've marked up where I'm going to put the sensor. There's varying opinions on this. A lot of people put them at the top here, right after the turbo, but I found that it was just killing the sensors all the time, whether it was the heat or the premix, because obviously a lot of rotaries premix or they burn oil through the OMP. So I found that when I moved it down here, sensor, I've not replaced the sensor since then, so this is where I'm going to throw that one in. Alright, so that's that bung welded on. So before we throw that downpipe in, just going to pull the turbo off and have a look, see if we can see where that exhaust leak is. Right, so after taking turbo out, it would appear that I have left the old gasket in. I was using this just for mocking up when I was building a downpipe and stuff. So I must have left that in, and hopefully that's what's causing the blowing, because we've got a new one. This is the one Borg Warner supplied. I had no idea why it's not got the divide for the twin scroll, but this is the only one we've got, so it's going in. Before we put the downpipe in, we will wrap it and then get it all thrown back together. Alright, so that is one downpipe wrapped. If I was to give any tips on this, I would say wear gloves, because this is the itchiest shit in the world. Soak it in water, because the wetter it is, it allows you to pull it tighter, and then when it dries out, it tightens up as well. And also, the thick edge of the wrap that's what you start off with at the end, and then spiral it down from there, and then just put your clips on the end. You shouldn't need any clips on that end, because it should keep itself tight. So we'll throw it back on the car now, and hopefully it sounds a lot better. Right, so that's everything back in for now. So let's start it up and see if we got rid of that blowing. Right, so that's it for tonight. It's about 1 in the morning. I've got a load of tidying up to do, so I'll leave it there and I'll catch you tomorrow. Good morning. It's now 2 days later. That's how much tidying up there was to do. So today I've got to get intercooler done, intercooler pipe in, throw the bumper back on, and then the car should be pretty much wrapped up, ready for Luke to pick up. So let's get to it. Right, so that's it, it's finished. Luke is picking it up in the next couple of days and he will put the running miles on and then it'll go to get mapped, or the map checked at least, with the new turbo. Thanks for watching. If you've got any advice for me on how I film it or what information I put in the videos, because I am new to YouTube, leave them in the comments below and I will try and improve my videos with each one I do. Cheers.